Hey everyone, and welcome to another All About RVs video. Today we're going to take a look at a brand new 2020 and a half Heartland Prowler. This is the 256RL model, which is a rear living room, one slide out couples coach. We're going to take a few minutes, walk you around the inside and the outside of this new travel trailer. Alright guys, we're now up inside this new Prowler 256RL travel trailer. And we're going to start looking here at the living room slash kitchen area of the RV. In the very back of the coach, you have two pushback reclining chairs. There's a little end table in between there. Those chairs are freestanding chairs, so you can maneuver them around if you like, or remove them and put in different chairs at some point if you wanted to. Nice big deep tint safety glass windows on the back of the coach, and they do open so you can get a good breeze coming through on a good fall or summer night. Pull down night shades over the windows, overhead cabinetry as well. The unit has about a 12-foot long slide out, and in the slide out is the jackknife sofa along with the U-shaped dinette. Now the jackknife sofa does flip up, has storage underneath, does also make into a small bed, and then you have the little center section that flips down, has some cup holders there along with USB charger ports built in as well. Some pretty good sized windows on the slide. That the two big windows there do actually open about 50% again, and the one on the left is also an emergency exit window. They do a LED light strip above the slide out as well. The U-shaped dinette has storage wrapped around the whole thing, so you can pop up the dinette cushions and store things all the way around that dinette. So a lot of underneath storage. That also folds down and makes into a bed. The TV area, straight ahead there, you could probably do somewhere between a 24-27 inch TV, somewhere in that range, depending on the brand of how it's kind of designed, but you could do an okay sized TV there. Radio down below there does have some video output stuff on it, USB charger ports down underneath that cabinet there, and again Bluetooth stereo, so you can connect your smartphone to it and things like that to play music and stuff. Now the kitchen area here, down on the side of the cabinet you have three drawers, full extending ball bearing drawer guides. The electric box with your breakers and fuses is also down there on the side of the cabinet. You have the stainless sink with the high-rise faucet. Nice size window just kind of overlooking your campsite area there. Some more overhead cabinets, and on the side of the cabinet is your slide control, your awning control, some interior light switches, the awning LED light switch, and the underneath RV blue light switch as well. Electric microwave, traditional microwave, hood range and fan, glass front suburban stove that they're actually using here, stove and oven top, 3-burner stove top with the glass lid, some storage, a little bit of storage down underneath there as well. And here you have a gas and electric refrigerator. It's a little different than some of the other travel trailers that I stock. A lot of them have gone to 12-volt refrigerators now, and here they are still using the gas electric refrigerator, so it works both ways. Ducted air conditioning throughout the ceiling. There's indoor speakers also, along with outdoor speakers, if I forgot to mention that earlier. Now back in behind here is going to be your bathroom area. So a decent sized little bathroom for a travel trailer like this. So you have a foot flush toilet, a little bit of storage underneath of the sink area there. Your monitor panel with your tank readings, along with the electric and gas water heater switches and the water pump switch. There's also a little exhaust fan. You also have air conditioning in the bathroom as well. And then a decent sized tub shower area. Now over here into the bedroom area, you have some cabinetry on both sides of the bed. So you have a hanging closet on each side. The bed does raise up, so you can store some stuff underneath of there. A little bit of room to walk around both sides of the bed, and obviously you have your exit door there as well. Now over on the left side, there's also TV hookups up there. So you could do a flat screen TV on the wall over there if you wanted to. Emergency exit window. Pretty good sized shelf up above. And a sliding door for privacy there. And they're also pre-wired, I keep forgetting about that part, for this new Wi-Fi system that some people are doing by WineGuard, where you can change out the traditional TV antenna for a 4G LTE Wi-Fi extender system. So it is pre-wired for that. You'll see some plates and stuff on the roof that kind of talk about that as you're looking around at their different models. We're going to head outside now, kind of show you around the outside, and then we're going to close everything up and kind of show you what it looks like closed up. Alright guys, we're now back on the outside of the new Prowler trailer here. And as you can see, it is different from the early 2020 version as they changed the exterior. So it went from kind of a silver base side to a white base side with some blue and silvers and a little bit of black accenting and stuff. So exterior color changed from the 20 and a halves in the 2020 version. So a little bit different on the outside look. Power awning on the exterior of the coach. So you push a button, it goes in and out. Has adjustable arms for tilting and water runoff. The unit now comes standard with power stabilizer jacks, where previous versions did not. So you push a button there on the side by that yellow sticker. Jacks come down, stabilize things. They're not lifting jacks like an auto level system kind of thing, but they are electric stabilizers just to kind of help keep things from rocking and rolling. Nice, clean storage compartment area here. Nicely finished off, not a bunch of exposed raw wood and stuff like that. So they do a nice job on fit and finish of even their storage compartment. Front step is a triple entrance step going right into the door. However, on the main door, we have the more ride step above back there. Entry door into the bedroom right here. Does not have a window in it, however, for privacy mainly. But on the back door in the living room area, you do have a window. 2 outdoor speakers here. Down below is the low point water drains, which have on-off valves. A lot of brands use just a cap, which saves them another 50 cents or something. But here you actually have turn on-off valves instead of a cap. Just a little easier for you. Fully enclosed underbelly. Black tank flush to clean out the toilet system right here. Access panel for your refrigerator for maintenance and stuff right there, along with the drain tube. Furnace exhaust. Gas electric water heater standard on the coach. Freshwater tank fill. Outside electric outlet and cable outlet for TV antenna or cable inputs. Step back here a little bit better so you can see it. There's a large folding entry handle on the main entry door to help you get in and out. Rear electric stabilizer jacks as well. Standard 4-inch square tube bumper, which is pretty typical for most trailers. Spare tire. Now the unit is pre-wired for an observation or backup camera, which is right below that center running light up there. Furrion is who most people use. If that does interest you, talk with your salesperson about that. I would recommend the observation camera over the traditional backup camera. It's just nice to be able to drive down the road and still see behind you. Now over here is your power cord area on the back corner. Detachable power cord. Electric slide room here. We'll close that up and show you what everything looks like closed up as well. Deep tent safety glass windows. Outside utility shower here with hot and cold water, and your cable inlet right there. Now down below right here is your gray and black tank dump handle. Right here on the corner is going to be some of your stickers for information. So tire size, ST 205/75 R14D range tires. Then over here you have your model number, 256RL, your VIN number. You're going to have your gross vehicle weight stamped right here, 7,600 pounds. That's the most you can load it up to, axle weight and hitch weight combined. You have two 3,500 pound axles, and again you have hitch weight. Now we'll pop up the dry weight there on a sticker for you. Power tongue jack on the front with the LED light built in, along with a manual override. And two 20-pound propane tanks. And then the unit will come with one deep cycle interstate battery from Couch's RV Nation. It doesn't come with any from the RV manufacturers, but make sure your dealer does provide you with one. That's an important feature to have to work the safety breakaway switch and be able to use your lights and your slides and stuff when just kind of boondock camping. Now we're going to close everything up, show you what that looks like. All right, guys, we got her all closed up here now, so the slide's in. I wanted to show you what that looks like with that slide out in. Pretty simple process. It's an electric slide room, so again, you just push a button, it goes in and out. The dump area is nice and easy to get to when the slide's in. So when you're pulling away from a campsite area and you pull out to the dump station, if you don't have full hookups, it's nice and easy to get to right there. And you also have that outside shower right by there, so you could use that outside shower to help rinse out the dump hose and things like that. Now on the inside of the coach, you kind of see here, the slide doesn't really affect the bedroom area, so you can come right in this door, get to your bedroom area. But the slide out does obviously affect the living room kitchen area where it's actually at. So when you come up into the coach, this is what it's going to kind of look like when you're traveling down the road, stopping at a rest area. You can come in here, use your sink area, get your refrigerator, your stove if you need to, microwave if you happen to have a generator with you or something like that. But the unit is for the most part functional. However, the bathroom area is super tight. So if you're trying to get to the bathroom, you really would want to bump out the slide out. And that is done again over here by this button. You just basically take this button, hit the out. Takes just a few seconds. And you don't have to put it all the way out if you don't want to. But just putting it out, 6-8 inches or whatever, would allow you access to that bathroom. But it's nice and simple, easy to do. And you got full access to your bathroom. Again, you only got to put it out a few inches if you don't want to open it all the way or don't have the room to open it all the way. But simple to do. Just wanted to show you what it looks like closed there, guys. Appreciate it. Thanks for checking out the video.